Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will explore the main differences between digital printed socks and sublimation socks, and quickly learn about their characteristics and applications. Let's get started. Digital printed socks and sublimation socks are two different printing technologies that differ in many ways. Here are their main differences. First, technical principle. Digital printing. Digital printing socks are a kind of digital direct printing method, which directly prints the pattern on the fabric. It uses digital patterns, measures colors, matches colors, and prints them by computer, which can achieve high precision and diversified patterns. Sublimation. Sublimation socks are socks made using sublimation technology, which uses high temperature and high pressure to transfer the pattern from the transfer paper to the fibers of the socks, creating a durable and colorful pattern. Second, pattern effect. Digital printing. Digital printing socks have high pattern precision, 360-degree seamless connection, rich layers, no white spots when stretched, good air permeability, and good hand feel. Sublimation. The pattern of sublimation socks is rich and delicate, but it may have a gelatinous feel. There will be a white line at the seam of the pattern, and there will be obvious white exposure when it is stretched. Third, scope of application. Digital printing, suitable for all kinds of fabrics, especially cotton, polyester, nylon, bamboo fiber, wool, etc. Sublimation, more suitable for polyester fabrics. For cotton, nylon, linen, and other human fabrics, usually only direct injection digital printing can be done. Thank you for watching. I hope this video can help you better understand the difference between digital printed socks and sublimation socks. If you like our content, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and share. We will bring more interesting and practical content in the next issue, so stay tuned. See you next time.